Welcome guys, so today I am with Tozo T10 earbuds and I'm gonna show you how we can adjust volume level while using these earbuds. So let me just play one of the song. And to adjust the volume level, on the right one you have to click and hold. As you can see, we can increase volume level, and to decrease, make it on the left one. So click and hold. And as you can see right now, we can decrease volume level. So it's useful, for example, when you are running and you don't want to, remove the phone from the pocket. So we can make it simply straight right here by using this earbud. So on the right one you can increase, on the left one you can decrease, and basically click and hold this touch control panel with your finger to increase or decrease. As you can see, simple as that. So yeah, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.